Hi friends, join us on our Waterfall Zipline adventure.
Yeah, it's not even, I won't even say it's a road, it's like a path.
Uh-oh.
Can we make it through? There's a toad right there that just jumped out at me. Alright, so we are driving on an old logging road on our way to the dam. It's quite a bumpy ride. What do you think, Asher? It's a bumpy ride. Yeah, it's not even, I won't even say it's a road, it's like a path.
You might be able to hear the stream if you listen closely. Uh-oh.
Can we make it through?
I don't know.
I think we will. Whoa! Oh, you're right. You can hear the bumpy from the rocks underneath us, can't you?
There it is.
It looks dangerous.
Oh, it does look dangerous over there. It probably could be dangerous if you're not very careful, right?
See it?
Yep, the clubhouse.
I can see
Oh, it's almost straight ahead.
Here we are.
Here's the dam. Yeah. We made it. There's a toad right there that just jumped out at me. Let me see you dance. Oh, those are some good dance moves. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Get you way up there, bug. Hey, wave at me. Because I'm down here right by the waterfall. Mommy found a perfect rock to stand on. I'm gonna call it Mommy's rock.
Look at all those bugs.
go all the way back to our lake house right there.
Yep, we'll take the van and get all the way back to the lake house on the other side.
And then all beside.
I'm very curious what Daddy has set up here.
Oh,
Are you curious, Asher?
yeah.
I can't wait to see.
You can see, friends, we've got a beautiful lake here behind us. And here, we came down this ancient old logging road. And here we're at the dam, right?
And there's a waterfall back.
Yeah, there's this beautiful waterfall here. And we've set up our zipline rope and we've tied it to a tree over there. And what we're gonna do is test out this zipline. So what we have here, we've got Megalodon, we've got Thomas the Train, we've got Skeleton Crew, Tiger Shark, Torque Terror 22, and we've got Race Ace.
And we got racing.
Alright, so what do you want to try first? You want to try Thomas the Train? That's going to be the finale.
Oh, I was wanting to see what Megalodon does too.
Yep, that's going to be the grand finale, okay? Alright, you hold on to this while Daddy gets some sandals so he can get in the water, okay?
Okay.
Daddy's getting in the water.
Daddy,
What in the world?
why is he getting in the water?
Alright friends, are you ready? So we're gonna start out with Thomas the Train here.
I think Asher's having fun in the water splashing. Give a thumbs up. Whoa!
Ready?
Whoa, he's going so fast! Whoa! Hi, Asher! Are you having fun?
Yeah.
How much fun are you having?
So much fun.
All right, adventure friends, we have our favorite 1 to 24 scale monster trucks, and we're ready to take on the challenge of ziplining these off of the damn waterfall. Are you ready?
Ready!
Are you ready, Asher?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, race.
Whoa! I'm ready! Whoa! Good job! So excited, Bob. Are you doing a happy dance? Oh, careful! I'm ready! All right, let's see it, Asher! Woo! Boom! Yay! You did it! Whoa, it actually landed on its wheels! Yay! Asher, you're doing it! Hey, look at all the footprints you're making! How are you making all those footprints?
Are you ready, Asher? All right, 1, 2, 3, push.
Whoa! Look at it go!
1, 2, 3. All right, adventure friends.
Oh, Asher's already getting started. He's like, I am ready.
We are having an absolute blast at this old dam and waterfall. It's just been amazing. So for our grand finale, we've got Megalodon all rigged up with a special rope here, and we're gonna ramp Megalodon off of this old dam onto the zip line, and he's gonna shoot right across here. Are you ready, Asher?
Wait,
High
what?
five. Woo!
That sounds crazy.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Mom's ready. Are you ready, Asher? All right. Hey, come on, Asher.
I'm ready. Ready. Megalodon. Whoa! Go Megalodon, go Megalodon!
Three, two, one, go!
Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite one that we did down the zip line?
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark was your favorite? Even more than Megalodon?
Megalodon too.
I think Megalodon was my favorite to put down.
What was your favorite, Daddy?
Which one was your favorite to go down the zip line, Daddy?
I think like Thomas starting out was so much fun. And then I thought Race Ace did really cool too.
Asher said his favorite was which one, Asher? Which one did you say?
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark. I said I like Megalodon. The grass out from under his wheels? It might be yucky. Do you think it's slimy grass from the water?
I don't know.
Can you get it? Can you get it? That one must be really stuck.
Oh no, I got it.
You got it? That's terrific, Bug. You really helped Megalodon out.
I think you're growing up, Asher. Usually it's Daddy that does all the cleanup work. I guess when you're 5 years old, it's time to get down to business, right?
Well, he's almost 5, right? He starts pre-K in what? A week? 2 weeks?
Answer friends. So for this stunt, we have Asher who's sitting up on the top of the dam, and Dad is going to be down here in the water, and Asher's going to drive Megalodon over the waterfall, and Dad's going to try to catch it.
Yay! Yay!
Hey Asher, can you drive her backwards? Have her backwards. Backwards. Backwards.
Whoa!
Try it again, Asher. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! He caught it again!
Backwards. Alright, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Yay! Daddy's getting all wet? Are you getting all wet, Daddy?
Alright, Asher, back him up. Back him up. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Alright friends, so we've got Asher up on top of the concrete there, on top of the dam, and we've got one of our wooden ramps, and Asher's going to push all of his monster trucks down so they hit the concrete and go over the waterfall.
Wait,
Are you ready?
You're doing great, Asher! So I think all but the first one made it down, right?
Yeah.
And Daddy looks so wet, he's not going to need a shower tonight.
Thank you for watching Kids Story.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
It's a bumpy ride. Pop said about there being a very bumpy road, and Asher kept asking, he's like, is this the bumpy road? Is this the bumpy road? Some of them were a little bit rocky, but this one is definitely bumpy.
This road is better for like an ATV four-wheeler as opposed to a Grand Caravan, Dodge Grand Caravan. We're getting there though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not even, I won't even say it's a road, it's like a path. A dirt and grass path. Right, Asher?
Right.
And where are we staying?
At the lake.
At the lake. Do you like the lake?
Yeah.
With Mimi and Pop, right? Oh, Asher, look, there's a stream down there.
Oh, I don't know if I can see it from here.
I can
I'm gonna put the window down.
I'll have to look on our way back.
You might be able to hear the stream if you listen closely. Can you see it down there, Mommy?
Not really well. There's a lot of the trees and stuff in the way. But maybe I'll try to get it on the way back. It looks like we're gonna hit a mud pile.
Uh-oh.
Can we make it through?
I don't know.
I think we will. Whoa, Daddy almost got hit by a branch.
Is this
You see the stream over there now?
A little bit.
I can see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
We're in a very woodsy area, aren't we?
Now you can hear the bumpers.
Oh, you're right. You can hear the bumpy from the rocks underneath us, can't you?
There, can you see the stream through there now, Mom?
I can see it.
Here, Daddy's gonna take the camera.
I can see it.
There it is. That's where we did your pirate treasure hunt a couple months ago, Asher.
I was
The
just
stream.
gonna ask, does that lead up to the dam?
It does.
All right, so we know we're on the right path, right, Asher? Yeah! We got a little lost at first, didn't we, Daddy?
Wow, look way down there. We're up high
You
now.
might need to take it again, Daddy.
Yep, there's an old stone wall. You can see down to the stream.
All the cool stuff's on Daddy's side.
All right, here's the camera back.
But,
Blue stuff is on that.
yeah, but we'll see it on the way back, right?
Wow. Here, let's show this down here.
Okay.
Wow.
I used to hike down there when I was a boy. Lots of old stone walls. Stream goes right along here.
Do you remember doing your pirate treasure hunt down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, was that so much fun?
Yeah.
If you want to check out that video, make sure to check out our other videos where Asher does a pirate treasure hunt. Oh look, I can almost see the lake house.
Oh yeah.
Or the clubhouse. The clubhouse, right? That's what it's called, Daddy? The
I can
clubhouse?
see it.
Yep, the clubhouse.
I can see
Oh, it's almost straight ahead.
Here we are.
Here's the dam.
That waterfall.
Yeah.
And
We made it.
And what's the plan, Asher? What are we talking about doing here?
activities.
Monster trucks? Maybe some zip lining? And some ramps? What do you think?
I think so. And even treasure hunt.
Well, maybe not a treasure hunt this trip, okay? But we brought all our monster trucks.
Yeah.
Here, let's show. We've got snake bite.
Yeah, snake bite.
We've got
Beside me.
all of our wood ramps. We've got grave digger. All the way in the back there, we've got our 1 to 24 scale monster trucks. This is gonna be crazy. Are you ready? All right, friends, are you ready? 2, 3.
There's a toad right there that just jumped out at me. Almost gave Mommy a heart attack. And down there it looks like Thomas got stuck. Should we try again? You got it?
Ooh, now he's stuck over the water.
Thomas is jumping. Woo! Yay! He made it to the other side.
Alright, so that was our test run.
What's Daddy doing down there?
What's Daddy doing down there?
It looks like he's setting something up. What do you think it is, Asher?
Activities.
The activities. Let me see you do that again. Thumbs up.